is here.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, all done.
Then show me your class journal. Wait, what's that? An F? Teacher's note? Misbehaved in class? Was goofing off! And yet you want to play outside! You should be ashamed! Go study! No going out for you! He's grounded today! And watch out! If I see you slicking around, I'll rough you up real good!
That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher.
I'm coming out now!
I want to live freely. If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me. The front door is locked, and Mom probably has the key.
Just keep the ball ready! Wait a minute!
How many times do I have to repeat?
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house.
To tell me why is your door open? Pretending to do your homework. Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna lose it!
How do you strike? What an idiot! Are you completely stupid?
No way! Me doing homework, me and studying just don't go together.
Someone's about to get in trouble.
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house.
Mommy!
This is the third time already.
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house. Darn it, the front door is locked. Mom probably has the key.
I'm coming out now.
The team is full of idiots.
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window. I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Oh my god.
Well, here to tell me why is your door open? Do you take your mother for a fool?